It's been 1 year since 17 people were murdered at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School down in South Florida, the deadliest high school shooting in American history. In the years since, a lot has happened in our state. Lawmakers have passed 76 new laws. The biggest was the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas Public Safety Act, which provides more money to secure schools across our state.
Just in Lee County, the district has used about $1.3 million on security changes. But our school leaders say we're not done.
And all new at 7, ABC 7's Ben Henry found out about technology that's changing the way law enforcement keeps an eye on our kids. And Ben's live in the studio to show you how it works.
With just one click of a button, an entire school can be put on lockdown and law enforcement can spring into action just like that. That's just one of many tools this company offers to Florida schools. Some of our schools have similar systems. This last year played a big role in making that happen.
Over the course of the past year, we have enhanced our footprint in securing our schools and protecting the children and teachers across Lee County.
Harder to get in, more eyes in the sky, an officer or deputy at every school, and new teams focused on safety.
Threat assessment teams have been established and trained in each district school.
The way our kids go to school has changed forever.
Video surveillance is nothing new. It's been around for decades, but its technology has changed big time. Now law enforcement has easy access to it, and it's happening right here at home at our schools.
Law enforcement has live, real-time access to all school cameras.
The Lee County School District and the Cape Coral Police Department tell us their school resource officers have that control. Just north of us, a more advanced system is almost ready.
We realize that seconds truly do matter, and we need to find a way to speed up the process. This was even more so amplified after meeting with some of the parents in Parkland and realizing that seconds could have potentially saved a life.
The Pinellas County Schools just teamed up with IntraLogic Solutions. Its state-of-the-art tech gets everyone on the same page, from centralized surveillance centers in every school to a one-button lockdown system.
It's so critical, as we learned in Parkland and in Sandy Hook, to make sure that first responders can quickly access the facility's cameras.
Its CEO, Lee Mandel, says last year has been busy, but no action here. No matter, our leaders say what's been done is just the start.
So far, more than $1.1 million was spent on electronic security in Lee County, another $123,000 for fencing. Moving forward, the Lee County School District has applied for more than $3 million in grant money. In the studio, Ben Henry, ABC 7.